Hi everybody, it's Wanda. Today I'm going to try a Dutch pour using colors I have never used before. My best friend, one of my very, very best friends in the entire world, I met her when we were 17. We're 68. 51 years of being best friends and never an argument. Many discussions, so many hours of spending time with each other, just laughing and having so much fun and just talking about life and boyfriends and husbands and ex-husbands and you name it, and we've talked about it. I love her so much. And she's going through chemo right now after having extensive surgery and recuperating, and I had given her a Dutch pour, and her daughter fell in love with it. So I love Stephanie. I'll be happy to do one for her. Her colors that she requested were purple and lavender. So I have mixed up Artist Loft Purple Metallic, Liquitex Brilliant Purple, which is more on the lavender side, and I have Deco Art Espresso Metallic. So I'm just going to do some puddles and put some white around it and see if I can get something pretty for Stephanie. So this is too thick. Let me thin this and check all my consistencies, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I thinned that down. I had just used it in a different painting, so it needed to be thinned down, and I had forgotten about that. So I'm going to put some of that. May still be too thick. To that, I'm going to add some of the purple. Some of the lavender right next to it. Hope I didn't have too much of that down there. Let me check this consistency in this white paint. It's my base paint, but it still might not be quite thin enough. No, I think it'll work. Because you want your paints thin for this whole application here. And plenty of paint. So I'm going to use the blow dryer. Let me move these paints out of the way. And I will mute that part so you don't have to hear it. And keep your fingers crossed that this turns out for me. I use that on low. Oh my goodness, the cells and the lacing are gorgeous. This one, thank you, I did not mess up. Oh, I've seen Rinska go in and blow hers, and I'm not sure that I have enough breath to do that. But I think this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, it turned out so pretty. And that espresso was a good choice. So I hope Stephanie loves this. I love it. I think it turned out pretty. I just wish there'd been a little more color up in here. Looks like there's some purple underneath there. Let me try to blow it. That is not working for me. I did manage to blow a little bit of it over. Let me try the blow dryer just on that one area. I don't want to mess anything up. I think it looks pretty the way it is. I hope it dries well. I'm going to check all my edges. Let me use a torch on it. Pop any bubbles. Alrighty, I can't wait to show you the close-up of it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers so much, and I love it when you comment. So if you like it, tell me. If you don't like it, tell me. It's fine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. So here's how it looks. Man, I really got the cells. And I love this area right here where it laced up. So let me go back and give you the whole viewpoint. I see a girl's face right there, profile. I'm not crazy about those big espresso cells, but I don't think there's anything I can do about it without messing up the whole design, so I'm not going to do anything. So I hope Stephanie likes this one. I love this. I think it's beautiful. So tell me what you think. I appreciate you all watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, evening, night, whatever. Thanks so much. Okay, I did a second one with other colors that I like better for Stephanie, and these cells are driving me nuts. So I'm going to hit this with the blow dryer again. I just finished the other one. It didn't take 10 minutes. It hasn't been sitting that long. Okay, I like that much better. I still got a cell or two right there. But I really like this a lot better. I think it evens out the composition. I want to get rid of those cells. I don't like those cells. Hang on. Wow, there's a lot of paint left on this canvas right in here. Ooh, but I do like this better. So, I will take a camera down and give you a second look. Oh, so thank you so much for watching and bearing with me. I know I'm not your typical poor person because I keep redoing things and just changing my mind and stuff. But if I'm not happy with it, I'm not happy with it. So I have to do something about it. So I like it better now. I hope you all do. So I will show you a close-up. Okay, so I blew the bottom edge out more over here in this corner. And I took those cells out of there and pushed some of that white up. And then I pushed it off to the edge over here a little bit. And now, this is what I have. I just think that it doesn't look as oddball as it did before. So I think it's still pretty. I still like it. And I have another friend in mind that I may give this to. So, thank you so much for watching.